I got a delivery notification. Something has arrived for Gareth and I. Hit the door.
Exciting. No way they've delivered them to the right address.
No, they didn't. I had to walk down there and pick them up.
Again.
Because the delivery company sucks. So these are our new modes of transportation, not the Volkswagen. That's
Yes, we're still petrol heads.
Justin's.
We are still petrol heads, but hey, we're open to trying new things.
Yes, electric.
Hey!
So we'll open it up and we'll show you guys what's in the boxes.
What's in the box?
They have been assembled. There's not much assembly to do. So Gareth and I have bought iScooter Pro IX7 2,000 watt two-wheel drive off-road electric scooters. Just why not, right? I mean, it's a bit of fun.
Toy to play with, no?
Toy, and we can commute on them. I mean, our commute's only 5 kilometers.
I checked 6.6.
There you go. So we'll do a little more in-depth review, but they look pretty cool. Oh, we'll get this on the camera here.
That worked beautiful. Do you want to try that? Take two.
Yeah, sure. We'll get this on the satisfying. It's not very satisfying. It's not like an iPhone.
It's really not like that.
So we're gonna go for a little test ride on our new scoots. Yes, Mum, helmet.
Oh yeah.
Because safety is my middle name.
Gloves.
I'm gonna put some gloves on, and we're gonna scoot over to Garrett's house. We'll shoot some POV stuff when we're less excited about
At
scooters.
some point when we have the Insta camera.
Yes, and the patience.
So what have we had them about 6 months now?
Yeah, we've kind of been using them, well, daily now. We commute to work.
Yeah, so all the talk about having somewhere to store the scooters, that's what we got the first Outlander for. And that's been sold as a camper, kind of backpacky type thing. We now use the Tucson for that, which is not here. But yeah, so I've done about 650 kilometres on mine. What's yours at?
723.
723 kilometres, and it's saving us probably $20 a week in fuel each.
Well, and the wear and tear. I mean, short trips are terrible. For
Yeah,
cars.
so it's about a 7 kilometre commute that we have. I come past Lee's house, it's about 60 seconds from my house. So we thought we'd finally show you them off. They're iScooters IX7 Pro. So 2-wheel drive or 1-wheel drive. Couple of kilowatts, so 2 1-kilowatt motors, one in the front, one in the back. Quite a funky wee display.
And they seem to be holding up well. Mine may have...
That's not showing up well on the display, but that's okay.
Mine may have been introduced to the pavement once.
Yeah, Lee might have stacked it on the way home one night. That was quite scary. I saw the whole thing happen in slow motion. So that was fun for me.
They may need brakes soon. Mine are getting a bit soft on the brakes. I've adjusted them, but yeah, they're. I mean, if you live close to work, it's an easy way to commute.
It is, and where we live, it's a really dry environment, so the weather forecasts are really accurate. That makes our job really easy. The one thing we have noticed is in the afternoons when the wind kicks in, it can be a bit rough riding them home in the wind. But they're legally limited to 25 kilometres an hour in every mode that you've got.
And we never go faster.
We never go faster. We haven't managed to get around that in any way, shape, or form.
No.
So join us as we go for a bit of a ride. We don't think the speeders are that accurate. But what am I reading? 17 kilometres an hour at the minute.
Yeah, but when you change modes, the speedo jumps.
It does. If I change mine now, what have we got? No, it stayed the same.
Yeah, I think it's only
Stayed the
from
same.
race to sport.
It's gone up. When you put it in sport mode, it went up from 17 kilometres an hour to 19 kilometres an hour. So it makes you think you're going faster.
Yes.
That's a win.
I think the top speed I've seen on the GPS is 51.
51 kilometres an hour on GPS.
Yeah, indicated 60 on the speedo, but
Yes. And they do seem to be limited to that because even if you're at 60 and you go down a steep hill, it's not going any faster. So we think it's an electronic limiter.
but they do accelerate quite quickly.
They can accelerate quite quick. So the beep, the big long beep is cruise control kicking in. So now we can go hands-free on this hand, we don't need to hold throttle, which is really handy for the commute.
And look,
Come
they
up
have
a
turn
couple of walls
signals.
and we'll come into two-wheel
Gareth
drive.
doesn't use his turn signals.
All right, which way is he going? He's going straight, roundabout's clear. Oh, he's going that way. I thought you were going straight. Okay, so now we're in sport mode. So sport mode is actually faster than race mode top speed. So if we were at 30 kilometres an hour, give her all she's got.
Woo!
50.
Gareth goes faster than mine.
55, cruise control, roundabout 60, brakes, brakes, brakes. Clear, clear. It would be good if you had an accelerate and a
set
coast button.
like
like
cars
in a car.
do.
But
Yeah.
it's not a car. It didn't cost anywhere near as much as a car, so, you know.
But again, great way to get back and forth to work.
So the other thing that happened is when we bought the Outlander to store them, we managed to sell that for quite a lot more money than we paid for it.
Yeah.
Which is another reason that we bought another Outlander. So now we've got a bit of a side hustle on the go, buying and selling small SUVs and setting them up as backpacker vehicles. So we've got one for sale at the moment, and we still have the Tucson to store the scooters in when we get to work. So it's going to be a bit of a win for us. Bit of a money-making scheme. Would we do it again? I'd do it again.
Yeah.
Because the other thing, we should maybe at some point, Lee, go and film some stuff at the track. Because there's a little radio control racetrack not too far. Well, it's actually very close to the office. And we had them there, and in single wheel drive mode, they're pretty drivable. In two wheel drive mode, it's really quite hard. So yeah, we'll maybe take you there at some point and film some stuff there. You can see how fast we aren't on electric scooters. So normally when we're commuting, we have one headphone in each so that we can listen to music as well. So in the car, it's about 2 songs for me, or motorbike, it's 2 songs. Scooter, 3 songs.
Yeah.
It takes a little bit longer. It's about a 15-minute commute. But we go the back roads and we take shortcuts and...
But you could get there in under, I've been to work in under 8 minutes at max speed all the way.
That's because you were running late that day.
No, I was just seeing how fast I could go.
Right. Yeah, they're a lot of fun, and we're glad we did it. And we're making some money on the side, so...
Yeah,
All the wins.
win-win.
Yeah. So check back with us. We may well do more scootering content. I'd say we'll maybe take them to the track and film some stuff at the track. See if either of us can fall off again. That'll do.
That'll do, donkey. That'll do.